In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Slack notifications, which is a useful skill for those moments when you need to focus without distractions. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Slack website. If you're using Slack regularly for work, you're probably familiar with this page. The main Slack interface houses all your essential tools, so it's helpful to bookmark this for easy access in the future. Once you're on the Slack homepage, locate the sign in button. Slack makes it really easy to log in, especially if you're using a Google account, so click on Sign in with Google. This step will quickly authenticate your account without needing to enter a separate password. It's not only time efficient, but also adds an extra layer of security. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. Here you can see all your workspaces and channels. Now look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Clicking on your profile will open up a small menu with several options. From this drop-down menu, the option you're interested in is Preferences. Clicking here opens up a new window where you can personalize your Slack settings to suit your needs. This is where you manage everything from themes to accessibility settings. In the Preferences window, you'll find a sidebar on the left. You're going to want to select the Notifications tab. This is where all settings related to notifications are neatly organized. Notifications can sometimes be overwhelming, especially if you're part of multiple active channels, so this area is crucial for maintaining your work-life balance. Now within the notifications section, look for the option labeled Notify Me About. If you click on this, you'll be presented with several choices on when and how you'd like to be notified. The flexibility here is really beneficial depending on whether you need to be always available or can afford to let some messages wait. For the purpose of pausing notifications entirely, go ahead and choose the Nothing option. This will pause all notifications, ensuring you get the uninterrupted time you need. It's particularly useful when you're working on a tight deadline or simply need some peace to concentrate. And there you have it, you've now successfully paused Slack notifications. Remember, anytime you need to revisit and tweak these settings, you can just hop back into the Notifications tab under Preferences. Communicating clearly with your team about your notification preferences can help manage expectations and ensure that you maintain a focused and healthy work environment. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your work notifications more effectively. See you next time.